With a slotted screwdriver, remove the screws from the front edge of the deck opening. Attach the brackets to the left and right sides of the baking chamber using the screws. Leave the brackets loose. Placing cardboard under the stone to be inserted can help prevent damage. Insert the first stone into the metal bracket at the back of the oven. Lift the front of the stone and slide the stone into the bracket on the right. Tighten the bracket until snug. Do not over-tighten. Over-tightening may damage the stone. Repeat this process with the second stone, sliding the stone to the left. Tighten the bracket. Insert the third stone into the bracket at the back. While one person holds the stone in place, line up and screw in the remaining bracket at the front of the oven.